Guys, welcome to Ababa Teach. In today's video I'm going to teach you how anyone can use his phone to make a video call or audio call using only data or Wi-Fi connection, whether you have Android or iPhone. If you are new here to this channel, please consider subscribe to my channel because we are upload a very high quality video related to your smartphone. Thank you. Let's dive into the video and show you how exactly you can use this app to make a video call or audio call on any smartphone in the world, whether you have iPhone or Androids. The first things to do is to go to App Store on your iPhone or go to Google Play Store on your Android device and then search this app. Inside the search bar, you use this word DOU, D-O-U, and then click the search button. After you click the search button, you will see the app appear. This is the actual app which we are looking for. This app is called Google DOU, higher quality video calls. This application can give you a chance to make a video call or audio call using only your data or Wi-Fi connection on your smartphone. You don't have to worry to call. Whether you have Android, you can call the iPhone user, and the iPhone user can definitely call you as you are Android user. So here is a little bit about this application. The first thing is, you see this application has over a billion downloads on Google Play Store and has over 6 million reviews. And here is some sample of how this application works. See here, we already download the app. So the next thing is go to our home page and see the app in our smartphone. Here is the application, DOU. So we are going to open this application and see how we can make a register and start use it. Here is the application. The first thing to know is here is the place where you can select your country code and your country. Any country in the world you can select it. In anywhere in the world you can select your country. Yes, we can pick any country to show you some example. For example, we pick, if we select it, then we put our phone number, just our phone number. If we put our phone number, then we click this sign, the next or the good button. When we put it, it will try to send us some code. If we put some code inside our application, it will open and it will be able to call anyone in the world using only your data or Wi-Fi connection in your smartphone. That is this application, how it is works. This application can really help. If you are Android user, you can be able to call iPhone user. Instead, if you have iPhone, you have the only option to call your iPhone user using the first time. But this DOU can give you ability to call any device in the world. So that is the end of this video. Please consider subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And do you use this app ever? I need to know inside comment section. Thank you everybody.